Pole A is 12 cm longer than pole B. 2/3 the length of pole B is equal to half the length of pole A. What is the length of pole B? Alright, so here they say half, alright, I want to write it in the fraction half. This is an equating numerator question where you should be making the numerator the same instead of making the denominator the same. Why don't we make the denominator the same is because when we are making the denominator the same, we are talking that we are saying that their total is the same, but they did not say that their total is the same. In fact, they say that pole A is 12 cm longer than pole B. Okay, but they did say that 2/3 the length, which is the numerator, is equals to half, which is that 1 unit. Okay, half the length of pole A. Alright, so the alignment should be drawn according to the numerator. Okay, so I can draw, there's two ways of doing it. One is faster than the other. The model is slower, but it will show you clearer. Alright, so if you are not familiar with equating numerator, I can show you the model first. Pole A is 12, so the length of 2/3 the length of pole B. So I'm going to draw pole B 2/3, which is 2 units, because that's a portion that's in alignment with half of pole A. Alright, and then I will use green to draw back the other portion, which is the other half for A, and then the other 1 unit from B. Okay, as you can see from as you can see that as you can see that this 1 unit is actually equals to this 2 unit. We can cut this into 2 units. Okay, likewise we will cut this into 2 units. Why? Because now we have a problem. We have small blocks. These 3 are smaller than these 2. So in a good model where division can be used, you must first cut them into the same size units. Alright, so how to cut them into the same size unit? As this 1 block is equals to the size exactly the same as these two block sizes. Alright, so we are going to cut them. Alright, just cut it over here and cut it over here. Alright, now we can see that A is actually a total of 4 units. Okay, pole A, and then pole B is actually 3 units. Okay, so the difference here, the question told me that it is 12 cm. So that means this 12 cm must be 1 unit. Okay, so very simple. 1 unit is equal to 12 cm. What is the length of pole B? Pole B has a total of 3 units. So 12 cm times 3. Okay, the working is only 1. Okay, but the model is not easy to understand. 36 centimeters. Alright, so to equate numerator, if you want to use the method that is faster, you simply just write 2/3 of B is equals to half of A. Again, you know that you are supposed to make the numerator the same. The concept is called equating the numerator. Alright, so to make 1 and 2 the same, you simply change the 1 to 2. Alright, then you will become, rewrite 2/3 of B. Okay, and then half will become 2/4 of A. So you can see that this unit 4 and this unit 3. Okay, so this after you make the numerator the same, the denominator will be the proportion of the total amount for each of A and B. Okay, so B will be 3 units, A will be 4 units. Okay, that's exactly the same thing given to you in the model, 4 unit and 3 unit. Alright, so they gave you the difference, 12 cm, that difference must be 1 unit. Okay, Ali and Bala have some money. If Ali gives Bala $50, they will have the same amount of money. How much more money does Ali have than Bala? Okay, so if Ali gives Bala $50, they will have the same amount of money. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can do it. If you need the model, draw the model, but you have to work backwards because you do not know at first Ali and Bala have how much. But you do know by the question, they say they have the same amount of money if Ali gives Bala $50. So even though we are going to draw Ali and Bala having the same amount of money, like this, Ali and Bala, they have the same amount of money, and then work backwards from here. This is not actually a situation because they said if. It didn't actually happen. Alright, so do not forget that. Okay, so the after scenario where they have the same amount of money has never happened. But we need to draw what it would be in order to use it as a clue. All right, so if Ali gives Bala 50, that means $50 from $50 from Bala must be from Ali. Okay, so you're going to cut out this $50 portion, because you know that, hey, if you transfer back, there will be a gap of 50 here. This portion will be gone. Okay, so actually Ali has $100 more than Bala. Okay, so if Ali gives Bala $50, they will have the same amount of money. So you actually, if you don't want to use the model, the other method would say just simply know that, hey, if I give you $5, I'll have the same amount of money as you. That doesn't mean I have $5 more than you. That means that I have double that, $5 times 2, $10 more than you. Same for this situation. If Ali gives Bala $50, alright, then simply Ali has $50 times 2, which is $100 more than Bala. Alright, how much more money does Ali have than Bala? That will be $100. That's all. Okay.